We are doing a review on a brand new product today. As you can see, nice branding, marketing, whatever you want to call it on the box. We're going to open this thing up and see what's going on inside the box. So here is the big reveal. I got 4 sets of these, and oh cool, they come packaged up like the trellis. No writing on them, but it's a nice storage pouch. That's cool. A quick pro tip: undo the knot on the end there to release more string so this thing can go wider open. You could not, I was not able to do it one-handed. All right, so here's a look at the start of this little unboxing. They stick together a little bit too. Here we go. Up close, raw and real on a shady December morning. These were just released recently. Just showed up a couple days ago on my porch here. And coming up next, we're gonna try and fit it on my Greenstalk and see what happens, see what we think, and go from there. We had a massive windstorm yesterday and my lid blew off. I should put that back on. We've got a little wind going on today. But for right now, we're looking at these radishes that I've got going here. And they use radishes as an example. And I'm gonna put this thing on. Let's see if I can do it one-handed. See how the ease of use is for this. Yeah. Maybe I need to take the trellis off. There we go. I put the trellis on. Yeah, I don't really need it this time of year. But you can have the trellis on and put that on. That's about the gap there that you've got. Very cool. I'm looking forward to using these to keep the little finches out of my Greenstalks. I've got 2 of them. We're definitely in the uglier time of the year for a Greenstalk, so please excuse all of the moisture latent stuff that's going on there. I love my Greenstalks. I'm going to use them again next year. I may even buy another 2 or 3. We'll see what the budget entails, but for right now, I'm thinking this looks pretty cool. Let's think, maybe we need to set that down just a little bit more. Maybe the trellis should come off to ensure that gap is a little bit better. But yeah, that's not bad at all, guys. So I just popped off the trellis and slid it side to side, and it really settled in nicely, so there are no gaps there. Very cool. So one other thing before I let you go, it feels noticeably warmer in here, but we've also got some airflow compared to my hand being out here. Definitely feels warmer inside here, much like the frost blankets that I recently, finally, at the end of December, finally cut out my cayenne pepper that produced a ton, and I harvested some with that frost blanket. Just a side note, it's expensive. I have one for each of these things. Just took them off the other day of both of these, and I found benefit. So I'm gonna be using them again in the spring. I will definitely be using this again in the spring. Like, comment, and subscribe, and we are out.